You work hard all week, put in long hours, and finally that paycheck lands in your account. You feel a rush of excitement, time to treat yourself with something fun. Maybe a nice dinner, a night out, or that gadget you've been eyeing. But then, at the end of the month, you look at your savings and it's still empty. A lot of people feel stuck between two extremes. On one side, saving every single penny and living a boring, stressful life. On the other, spending freely, enjoying the moment, but never building financial security. It feels like there's no middle ground, and that can be exhausting. And here's the thing, most of us believe saving money means saying goodbye to fun. No restaurants, no movies, no weekend trips. It feels like the price of financial security is giving up joy. But that belief is what keeps so many people stuck in frustration. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if saving money and enjoying life could actually go hand in hand? Imagine being able to stash cash away while still having dinner with friends or taking that weekend getaway. That's exactly what we're going to explore together. Saving money doesn't have to feel like punishment. In fact, I'll show you how to keep enjoying life while building a stronger financial future. Hey guys, I'm Bella, and welcome to the Money Talk channel, Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tips to make your money work smarter. Quick note, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not your personal financial advisor, just your money friend on YouTube. In this video, we'll walk through 7 simple ways to save money without giving up the things that make life enjoyable. And I promise it's easier than you think. How to save money without giving up the fun stuff. Fun doesn't have to come with a huge price tag. Think about it like pizza, you don't always need the biggest, fanciest one. Sometimes just a single slice with friends is enough to make you smile. Real joy comes from the people in the moment, not the bill. Sometimes we think fun only means fancy nights out, expensive restaurants, concerts, or luxury trips. But the truth is, those things don't always create the best memories. The laughter, stories, and silly moments usually come from simple, low-cost hangouts. It's the experience that lasts, not the receipt. Think about the times you felt happiest. It might have been a silly game night, a walk with friends, or even just sharing snacks at home. Those are the moments that don't cost much, but they stick with you forever. Fun isn't about how much you spend. It's about how much you connect. The richer the connection, the richer the memory. So the next time you plan something fun, remember it doesn't have to drain your wallet. A picnic in the park, a movie night at home, or just exploring your city can be just as exciting. Shift your mindset. Fun is measured by the joy you feel, not the price you pay. Save money and still live fully. Sometimes saving money doesn't mean giving up the fun, it just means making small swaps. Think about when you choose water instead of soda at a restaurant. You still enjoy the meal, but you spend less. That tiny choice adds up over time. It's about keeping the joy while letting your wallet breathe a little. Just like catching a matinee movie instead of the evening show, it's the same film, but at a lower price. You still laugh, you still cry, and you still get popcorn. The only real difference is how much money stays in your pocket. And honestly, that feels like a win. Another great swap: cooking at home with friends instead of dining out. You still share stories, laugh until your stomach hurts, and enjoy delicious food. But this way, the cost is shared and way lower. Plus, making the meal together often becomes the best part of the night. The big idea is simple. You don't have to give up fun to save money. You just need to choose the cheaper versions of the same joy. Whether it's swapping drinks, picking the matinee, or cooking with friends, the happiness is still there. The only thing missing is the extra cost. Sometimes saving money feels like giving up all the fun stuff, but that's not true. You just need a plan that lets you enjoy today while still preparing for tomorrow. That's where a fun budget comes in. It keeps your joy safe while you save. Think of it like a playground fence. The fence doesn't limit the fun, it makes sure you don't run into the street. A fun budget works the same way. It gives you freedom to enjoy yourself without crossing into financial danger. Picture your income as a big pie. Some slices go to bills, some to savings, and one slice is just for fun. When you set aside that fun slice on purpose, you won't feel guilty for enjoying it. It's money you already planned for. That's the real secret. Planning for fun. When you know your fun allowance is built into your budget, you can spend freely and joyfully. Saving doesn't mean giving up happiness. It just means you're playing smarter with your money. Saving money doesn't have to mean cutting out fun. Think of it as training your brain in a smarter way. The 2-for-1 rule is like having the best of both worlds. You enjoy life today, while also building security for tomorrow. Think of it like going to the gym. Every workout not only burns calories but also builds strength at the same time. Saving while spending works in the same way. You're doubling the benefit of every choice you make. Here's a simple example. For every $20 you spend on fun, set aside $10 into savings. It's not about stopping the fun, it's about balancing it. This way, enjoyment and responsibility go hand in hand. You create habits that build both happiness and stability. The real win is in training your brain. You're teaching yourself that every time you enjoy spending, you also enjoy saving. Over time, that connection makes money feel less stressful. It turns into an adventure where fun and security grow together. Fun doesn't always come with a price tag. Sometimes the best moments are free, and they stay with you forever. Think of laughter with friends, a walk under the stars, or a story shared at the right time. These little things bring joy without costing a dime. It's like music you can tune into the radio for free, or spend hundreds on a concert ticket. Both can move you, but the cost is very different. The joy comes from the rhythm, not the price. Life works the same way. You don't always need to pay big to feel alive. Free fun is everywhere, you just need to notice it. Hiking through green trails, joining a local street fair, or catching a movie night at the library. These moments are filled with energy, color, and life. They remind us that joy doesn't need a receipt. At the end of the day, fun doesn't have to drain your wallet. The world is full of experiences waiting for you to discover. Sometimes the best things in life really are free. All you need is curiosity and an open heart. It's the people, not the price. When you think back on your best memories, you rarely remember how much was spent. What sticks with you is who was there, the jokes you shared, and the warmth of connection. Money fades, but people stay in your heart. Think of laughter. It costs nothing, but it's often the highlight of the night. A shared laugh can turn an ordinary evening into a memory you'll never forget. You don't need an expensive venue for that kind of joy. The magic is in the people, not the price tag. Instead of pricey restaurants, imagine potlucks where everyone brings a dish. Picture board game nights filled with playful competition and cheers. Or a backyard BBQ where the fun is in the chatter and shared food. These moments create stories that last for longer than any receipt. At the end of the day, your best memories aren't built on receipts, but on relationships. Every laugh, every hug, every shared story becomes part of your life's treasure chest. Fun doesn't have to be bought, it can be created. And the best part? It's free when you share it with the right people. Saving money doesn't have to mean cutting out all the fun. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't debate it, you just do it. Once saving becomes a habit, it doesn't feel like a burden. And the best part? You free up energy to actually enjoy life guilt-free. One of the easiest ways to build this habit is by setting up an automatic transfer to savings. Imagine it like your money taking a small detour before it reaches you. You don't have to think about it, it's just done. Over time, this small step builds a strong safety net. Saving is only half the story. Fun should also be intentional. Instead of impulse spending, plan your fun in advance. When you do that, you get the joy without the stress. Every planned adventure feels like a reward you've earned. When saving is automatic and fun is intentional, life feels balanced. You no longer have to choose between being responsible and enjoying yourself. You get both the security of savings and the joy of guilt-free fun. That's how you truly build better money habits. So, remember, fun doesn't need to disappear for you to save money. Redefine fun. Make small swaps. Budget for it. Pair saving with spending. Explore free fun. Focus on people. And build good habits. Saving money isn't about restriction. It's about smarter choices. You can live well now and still build a better future. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite way to have fun without spending a ton? Drop it in the comments. Let's swap ideas. This is the Money Talk channel, Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep smiling, keep saving, and keep living your best life.